Welcome to Baldi's Basics, Education and Learning. That's him. Anyway, we've got a really cool mod to play. Okay, guys? So, I'm specifically looking at the camp bit because this looks brilliant, I'm not gonna lie. So, I'm just gonna go into that. Woohoo! Let's go! Waiting for... Oh, hello. Okay, what am I doing? I can't look back. I can't exactly... Oh, there we go. I can look back now. Okay.
Go camping.
Bold's bus. Oh, it's originally Joe's bus. Why are you so tall? You're scary.
All set. I'll go set up the bear traps. I want you to keep the fire going. Go out to the woods and collect fire.
Oh, I'm not treading in those. You're not playing with me.
Fire is, the more points you'll earn. Alright, go for it.
Okay, basically just speed running. Wait, oh, and I think we're doomed. Ah! Wait, what am I supposed to do? Wait, what am I supposed to do? Guys, what am I supposed to do? There's a way to cheat. Okay, what are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do?
All set. I'll go set up the bear traps. I want you to keep the fire going. Go out to the woods and collect fire.
Okay, I get what I'm doing now. I see what I'm doing. I'm trying to light the fire. And all I gotta do is keep it up from 0 for at least 157 seconds. Hey, how do I put it? There we go, we've got 38 seconds now. We're just going to ignore playtime over there. Ignore the fact. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go for these. Dang, this stamina goes down very fast. Who just coughed? How am I supposed to do this? Ah, this is so hard. Okay. Okay, yeah, I know that you want to go camping. I know.
Alright, all set. I'll go set up the bear traps. I want you to keep the fire going. Go out to the
Alright, let me see how much the fire goes up, though.
The fire. The bigger the fire is, the more points you'll earn. Alright, go for it.
Okay, so all we're doing is trying to keep the fire, like, on. Oh, no! Oh, wait, we've got 10 seconds to do these. We've got 10 seconds. There we go, we've got 30 seconds. Yes, guys, what I'm thinking is we do bit by bit. It's not even that hard. I'm just making it very hard. I don't know why. I'm making this very hard for myself. Right, I'm going back. Right, where's the fire? Oh, it's over here, I'm going to make this. There we go, we've got 35 seconds. Okay, I'm slowly. Alright, guys, I need to rest. Okay, I need to grab a log. I'm going to grab at least one log. I'm going to let my energy meter go up. Right, we're good. I think we're good. Look, that didn't even do a little... That wasn't even that much. And I think the bold man's coming! No, wait, no. Baldi! Oh my god. No! Oh my god. This man's aggressive. This man is aggressive. That's all I'm going to say. Oh my god. I know you want to.
I'll go set up the bear traps. I want you to keep the fire going.
Why do I get stuck on everything in this game?
Fire one. Then bring it back.
I get stuck on everything.
Fire. The bigger the fire is, the more points you'll earn.
What if I don't want
All right,
points?
go for it.
Right, I'm going for it. Wow! Oh my god, I got a mega! I got like 50! That's crazy! That's actually crazy! Bro, that's crazy. Wow! I know, right, Boldman? So cool, isn't it, Boldman? Okay, I'm gonna be greedy. Right. Nope. I saw you there, Arts and Crafts. I saw you there. I saw you there, Mr. Arts and Crafts.
Wow.
Yay! Woohoo! Oh, we have to go more out into the forest now. It's just scary. Oh no, bullies over here. Bullies. I don't know if Bully bullies, but by his name, he bullies. No. I think he does bully though, right? Yeah, in the game, he usually. Oh, he was coming close. 51, 50, we're on 50. Wait, we actually have like a chance. Okay, Mr. Bully, I don't like you. Bully Beef, I don't like you. Bully Beef. What, Dan? I need to get the sticks. Wait, thank you. Wait, that's a thank you. Wait, thank you. Where's Arts and Crafts? I want him. I need him. We all need him. I think I won. I think we won. I think I won. Yes! Woo! Oh my god! I won! Let's go! I won! That, my friends, I have won! Camping with Baldi. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I sure did.